What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but today it is finally time. We are getting a new car. I wish I could tell you guys how long I've been waiting to do this and film this video, but it's finally time. And as a matter of fact, we have already, got the car. I've signed all the papers. The only thing we're waiting for right now is we had to mail the documents to the co-signer, which is my grandpa. Really happy he decided to agree. And yeah, they're mailing it back. I would have never gotten approved on my own since I'm 18 and have like barely any credit history, no loan history, but that's exciting. Today's Saturday and we're actually about to go sell my car. So I'm gonna sell my car and hopefully Monday we'll be going in to pick up the new car. And yeah, we're about to go sell my car. Guys, it is the last time we will be driving this car. Kind of sad. I mean, it's done me good, thankfully. Definitely gonna miss it. I mean, this car was a lot of fun to drive around, but I don't think I would be thinking about that after I get the new one. All right, guys, we are pulling into Chase right now. Yeah, man, we're gonna get this car sold. All right, guys, it's 3 days later. We are back. We have sold the car. I've been waiting, and today is finally the day. And actually, we're about to be going to the dealership right now. My friend's picking me up. We're gonna go pick up the car. Everything's been signed. Bro, I don't think you guys understand how excited I am, bro. This might genuinely be like the best day of my life. If you guys didn't know, like, I love cars. The reason I started trading was literally because of cars, and I wanted to one day own a bunch of cars. So that's really one of my main motivating factors for trading. So, dude, I'm geeked, bro. I'm actually like, bro, you can see, like, I never smile, bro. We're geeked. All right, guys, we pulled up BMW Dallas. Everything's already signed. You guys probably know what I'm getting, but if not, we're about to see when we walk in. Yep.
Kept it nice, clean, warm area.
Yeah. Come on, tell me that's insane.
No, that's wild.
Nope. Yeah, I already dropped everything. Bro, look at the interior, man. Can I lock it? Look at the interior, bro. Look at this looking. Like, bro, I'm telling you, this spec is insane. All right, guys, we're back from the dealership. Well, actually, we just drove the car to the gym for the first time, but I just wanted to kind of sit down and I don't know, man. This is crazy to me. Like, I don't think you guys realize. I think it was 14 or 15 months ago. I literally had. I remember vividly, like, $56 in my bank account. If you don't believe me, I'll throw it up. I don't know if the exact amount. I think it was 56 because I blew through all my money trying to learn how to trade, bro. And I thought, I'm not gonna lie, guys, like, I wasn't expecting, like, I didn't think I would get this car for a while because I didn't think it was gonna be like a, smart financial decision. I could have, like, technically afforded it for, a while, but I didn't think it was smart, dude. So I kind of just, like, delayed my gratification until this previous month where I had my best ever trading month, and then I made a decent amount of money for crypto, and I ended up doing, 6 figures for the month. So I was like, you know what, bro, I'm gonna treat myself with a car. But bro, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm damn really, like, crying right now. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, dude, I used to fucking watch the videos. I used to watch the videos of, like, the, kids or my age or, like, just in general, like, oh, buying my dream car, buying my dream apartment, like, whatever it was. And I'd always, like, think to myself, like, dude, that's gonna be me. Like, I like, convinced myself that it was gonna be me, but, like, I didn't understand how I didn't think I would actually get here, bro. Like, I know it's just a car, guys. I know it's, like, I know it's literally just a car, but, dude, it's really just, like, what it represents for me, bro. Like, y'all, bro, I don't know, man. Like, I'm just thinking back to where I was literally 14 or 15 months ago, bro. That shit was the lowest fucking point of my life, bro. Like, I literally, bro, every single night when I went to bed, like, just trying, like, I just kept on, like, praying. I kept on praying this shit would work out, bro. But I genuinely, like, I don't know. There was times where I really didn't. I don't know, man. I'm sorry for not being a bitch, but I don't know. I really didn't think it would work out, and I don't know, man. I'm happy, at least for today, bro. But I guess what I want you guys to realize is, bro, dude, this shit is fucking possible, bro. This shit really is fucking possible, dude. I'm a normal ass fucking guy, dude.
As a matter of fact, I'm an idiot, dude. Like, all I did was just put in the effort, man. And that's all you gotta do too, dude. Like, that's my whole goal with this YouTube channel and whatever is like, bro, I want to show you guys that you can do it too, because I thought that I couldn't, bro. I'd always watch these videos and thought that, you know, these people just got lucky, or like, I just couldn't do it, man, because I couldn't relate to anyone on an actual level, and that's my goal. I want to be as transparent, as relatable, as much as I can be, bro. And I appreciate you guys for watching through and, you know, supporting me on this whole journey, man. I'm excited for what's next. You know, I guess the only way from here is up, but I know, like, bro, I have to calm myself a little bit, but yeah, man, this is, I don't know, man, this is crazy, bro. I'm literally sitting in this gym parking lot and I'm tearing up in my car. But also another thing is, I genuinely love cars and I want to do a lot more, you know, car content, a build, POV drives. Do you guys want me to make a separate YouTube channel for that? Or do you want me to, you know, post it on here? You know, let me know if you guys could let me know. I would appreciate it, because I genuinely love cars and I want to post content. It makes me happy. But yeah, I'll catch you guys. I don't even know what I'm adding in this video, but yeah. Bro, guys, like, I can't even rip the car because it is completely new and I have to break it in for 1,200 miles. Like, the max I can go up to is, I think, 4.5K RPMs, but like, oh my god, bro, this shit is gonna be, this shit is so quick. And someone just yelled at me to slow down, bro. I can tell you right now, that person does not have an M4, bro. They do not have an M4, bro. Guys, we are finally pulling back into the crib. I think the Porsche might have competition now, bro. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I low-key used to feel kind of embarrassed, you know, parking next to the Carrera. But like now, bro, dude, this is clean, bro. Now I don't feel embarrassed, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely am in desperate need of some tints because, bro, this might be the worst fishbowl I've seen in my life. So hopefully we'll get that done in the next couple of days. I think it'll, you know, make the car look a lot nicer. We are back at the crib. It is like midnight right now, but I guess I just wanted to sit down, you know, to finish off the video and just, you know, say some things that I forgot to say earlier on. Starting off, bro, you guys can genuinely achieve so much in a year's worth of time, 2 years worth of time. Is that really that long? It really isn't, bro. Like, I promise you, if you do the same stuff every single day, that time will pass regardless. So you might as well put in some sort of work. I have now officially hit every single goal that I had for this year. And bro, when I was writing these goals, I think I wrote them in January or February. I was not even remotely close. I'm gonna throw them up. Like, I thought you have the whiteboard in my room from when I was back at home. But dude, that's crazy. Like, I actually did not think I would hit. Like, I literally wrote them down as a joke, like 2 of them, which is insane to me, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but it really just proves like what you can genuinely do if you know, put in the work, you focus. Like, dude, this stuff is exponential. You will be rewarded for the effort that you put in, because at the end of the day, like, it's not gonna go unnoticed, bro. You might think that it won't get better. You might, you know, get discouraged. You might say like, hey, like, I'm not making progress. I promise you are. You will have your breaking point, and bro, I don't know, man. I think it's crazy, and I'm just starting to realize that. I don't know, man. That's pretty much it for this video. You know, it's kind of all over the place, but I hope you guys liked it. I hope I can motivate one person at least to keep going, bro. A lot of people just tell me like, hey, like, I want to quit, I want to do this. Like, bro, if I can just motivate one person to stick with it, get some sort of, you know, epiphany that's like, bro, I genuinely can do this, because you can, bro. You genuinely can. But I guess we'll end it off on that. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Subscribe if you guys liked it. Catch you guys on the next one.